A very good morning to all of you, 8th B. Welcome to the physics class, children. Now, in yesterday's class, we studied about the applications of the concept of force and pressure. Yes, and under that, we studied so many cases where we came to know that if area is less, the pressure will be more, and if area is more, pressure will be less. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, good. So today we are going to start with a new topic, and that new topic is pressure exerted by liquids and gases. Now, you need not worry about the numerical problems. Why I am leaving it right now? Because we will be doing it. See, these are solved examples. We'll be doing this also on the board, and along with that, I'll be giving you examples from my side, which you will be solving yourself. Okay, so need not worry about that. Today we are going to start with pressure exerted by liquids and gases. Now, before anything, starting with anything, you need to know, children, that liquids and gases together are called fluids. Very important. When I say fluids, that means I'm talking about liquids and or I'm talking about gases, or maybe I'm talking about both. When we say fluid, that means something which can flow, and that is liquid and gases. So this is the first thing that you need to know. Now, children, here you need to understand that when, like yesterday when we talked about the solid, I told you about, children, are you able to hear my voice? 8B?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes. Now, when we talk about solid, like yesterday I talked about a nail, I talked about a knife, these all are solid. So where you put them, wherever on whichever area you put them, they and you apply the force, they exert the pressure. But when we talk about the liquid and gases, they are, wherever they are kept in whatever container, see they are kept in a container. Huh? Likewise, they can move here and there, and you cannot see them. Obviously, you'll not be able to feel them. Class 8B, please just inform me. Are you able to hear my voice, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. In case,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, in case, because there is some network problem, I think. In case my voice doesn't reach you, please inform me. Okay. Please inform me immediately if my voice doesn't reach. Okay. Yes. So yes. So if liquid is there, supposing you filled the liquid in any of the bottle, किसी भी bottle में आपने कुछ भी liquid रखा, पानी रखा, ठीक है? Now this liquid, this water which is kept in the bottle, it is going to apply equal pressure on all the side of the bottle. If it is a round bottle, you will be able to see that all the places on all the side of the bottle, equal pressure will be applied. Yes. So this is with the liquid, and जैसे जैसे हम नीचे जाते जाएंगे पानी में, let's talk about any water body, let's talk about a river, let's talk about an ocean, let's talk about a sea. As we go deeper inside, we will be seeing that more and more and more pressure can be felt. So pressure increases with depth. If you have a pencil in your hand, please make a note of it. Please keep making note even when I don't say. जो चीज़ें मैम बताती हैं अलग से इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ उसको नोट कर लिया करिए. सो विद द इंक्रीज इन द डेप्थ द प्रेशर इंक्रीजेस. नाउ इसको याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगेन, एज आई ऑलवेज कीप एक्सप्लेनिंग यू ऑल द पॉइंट्स, इसको हम एक एग्जाम्पल से याद करेंगे. सी, व्हाट डू द सी डाइवर्स वेयर? जो पानी में नीचे जाते हैं सी डाइवर्स, व्हाट डू दे वेयर?
Ma'am, a
Ma'am,
special
oxygen cylinders.
स्पेशल सूट. यस. Yes.
oxygen cylinders.
Why do they wear this special kind of suit? कोई ड्रेस पहनते हैं क्या वहां जाने के लिए? ऐसा होता है इसलिए पहनते हैं? ऐसे पार्टी में नई ड्रेस पहनते हैं वैसे इसलिए?
No, ma'am.
यस मैम.
No,
या.
Ma'am,
ma'am.
to protect from water pressure.
हाँ,
Ma'am, we wear this suit because ma'am.
I'm sorry,
Ma'am.
I'm not able to hear you. There's some network issue I feel.
Ma'am, because
See,
of the pressure they wear.
see, now, yes, now listen. See, they do not wear the suit. They do not wear the suit when they jump into the swimming pool. Yes, but when they go deep inside the sea, बहुत नीचे, the pressure is so much, children. The water pressure is so much that it can tear their body. उनकी बॉडी को 2 पार्ट में वो टीयर कर सकता है. That is why they wear special suit, so that the pressure cannot be felt and they can easily swim and they can easily dive under water. So this is how you can understand that how much pressure is there at the bottom of the sea, or you can say as you go on increasing the depth, as you go under the sea and the depth increases, there is a lot of pressure. I hope this is clear to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So the
ma'am.
pressure, what we have
Yes.
learned, as in liquid, when we go deep inside, the pressure
Ma'am, the pressure increases.
Increases.
Now here only you have got the logic of so many questions which will be based on the same logic. So here, if you understand the logic, that as we go deep inside water, the pressure increases and you have so many answers of so many questions. Now see, now we will be seeing both the activities which are given in your book also, which are important for you to understand. See, in the first case on page number 142, all of you please observe it. A tap is open. Yes, it is on, and you can see a water is being a bottle is being filled. Can you see? इस bottle में हर side पे on all the 4 sides it is punctured, you can say, or small orifice is created. छोटा छोटा छेद कर दिया गया है. Yes, on all the 4 sides. Now when water is filled from all the side, children, all the side, what happens? The water is moving, it is coming out with the same pressure. That means pressure is same on all the side. Yes, at the same depth. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. आप प्लीज ढंग से देखिए, बॉटल में जो छेद किए गए हैं वो एक ही लेंथ पे किए गए हैं या ऊपर नीचे हैं? ऑब्जर्व इट वेरी प्रॉपर्ली.
Ma'am, at the same length.
At the same, yes. So when it is at the same length, then you will be able to see, तो same pressure होगा उस जगह पे, तो उतने ही फोर्स से पानी चारों तरफ से निकलेगा बॉटल से बाहर. नाउ इसका ऑपोजिट कर देते हैं. कम टू पेज नंबर 143 नाउ. अगेन द सेम कंडीशन इज टेकन, द बॉटल इज टेकन and आपने टैप ओपन किया, the water is getting filled in the bottle. Now here you see, children, that the orifice, the pores are made at different height. सबसे नीचे, उसके ऊपर, सबसे ऊपर. Is it visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now just see the way, very important, I repeat, just see the way water is coming out from all the pores. Let's look at it. What is the difference? अभी आपने पढ़ा, as the distance, or you can say as the depth increases, the pressure also increases. That means pressure is highest at the base. So just now see, it can be proved. सबसे ऊपर वाले छेद से पानी कम प्रेशर से गिर रहा है, उससे ज्यादा प्रेशर से सेकेंड, उससे ज्यादा प्रेशर से थर्ड केस, and in the fourth case you can see the highest pressure. That means the pressure increases with the depth. Is this clear to everyone, or anyone has any problem? Please interrupt here itself if you have any problem.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone, any problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell here itself so that we stop and we understand it again. Myra, you want to say something, beta?
No, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, what? Myra, do you want to say something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so this is clear.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, who is it?
Ma'am, why the pressure increases with depth?
This is what we are learning. The pressure increases. This is a phenomena that happens. Okay. Now the same way we'll be doing when we go up. Okay. When we go to the mountains, then also we will see that what is the change. वो भी पढ़ेंगे अभी हम लोग. Okay. अभी we are talking about the liquid pressure, water pressure, which increases as we go down. Okay. Iram?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
This is a natural phenomena that is occurring. Okay, beta? The answer is this. Now let's talk about the other important term, that is atmospheric pressure. Any idea what is atmospheric pressure? Atmosphere pressure.
Ma'am, the pressure of atmosphere.
Okay.
Ma'am, the
Now.
pressure present in
Ma'am,
atmosphere.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, the
Okay.
pressure present in atmosphere.
Okay. Fine.
or
Somebody is asking for the page number. We are on page number 142. That is why it is suggested to be present in the class well on time along with your books. Fine. Okay.
ma'am, atmospheric pressure also known as barometric pressure.
Okay. Fine. Now, yes. Now, children, we are going to learn about atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure, as you yourself said, that atmosphere, we are surrounded by atmosphere. We are surrounded by the layer of so many gases around us. Yes. And this forms atmosphere around us. Okay. Now, because of this thick layer of air, of gases around us, there is atmosphere which is created. So many gases, they have different role to play in our life, and this creates a pressure. This makes a pressure, and this is called atmospheric pressure. So the pressure exerted by the weight of air on any object, any body, that is called atmospheric pressure. Okay, now you take a pencil in your hand, come to page number 143, second paragraph, and please underline the
Ma'am,
thickness
can
of
you repeat?
atmosphere. I'll just repeat, please first you underline. The thickness of atmosphere is approximately 30 kilometer, 30. Please underline that. Page number 143. Underline, the thickness of atmosphere is approximately 30 kilometer. Second paragraph, page number 143. Quickly do that. And somebody asked me to repeat. I was telling you that there are so many gases around us which form air. And this air, it exerts a pressure on any object that is present on earth. Such a thick blanket of air or such a thick layer of air, it creates a pressure, and the pressure that is created is called atmospheric pressure. 8B, are you able to hear my voice? Just for confirmation.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. Have you underlined it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here only we have a very important point which we all need to know, which is often asked in the question paper also. And for your logical understanding also, this is important. Now see children, what happens when I just said that there is a thick blanket of air which surrounds us. Okay. So that means this pressure is very big, very great pressure is there. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, अब इतना प्रेशर है, अभी हमने पानी में पढ़ा कि इतना प्रेशर है तो वो हमारी बॉडी को क्रश कर सकता है. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the same way, when that pressure can tear our body, can crush our body, the same way if such a big atmospheric pressure is there, is it not going to crush our body? वो भी तो हमारी बॉडी को क्रश कर सकता है, हमारे हेड को क्रश कर
Yes,
सकता है.
ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
But then this doesn't happen. हम तो आराम से टहलते घूमते रहते हैं अपने घरों में, बाहर हवा में. क्यों नहीं होता ऐसा?
Ma'am, because of our internal body.
What is
Pressure.
internal body, Prakhar Srivastava?
No, ma'am.
What do you want to say, internal body? Now, all of you listen carefully. See, inside our body, what is present?
Ma'am, blood.
Blood along with water. Yes, is present. Now, that pressure, जो हमारे बॉडी में पानी और लिक्विड का प्रेशर है, वी कैन से लिक्विड, नॉट ब्लड, नॉट वाटर, लिक्विड का प्रेशर है, इट balances the pressure outside, because of which both the pressure get cancelled. Yes, and we can easily survive. Yes, if that pressure is low or if the other pressure is higher, the body can be crushed. But this doesn't happen. Why? Because our internal liquid pressure, it balances the air pressure outside and we remain safe. Is this much clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem, anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Now, we'll talk about an activity on page number 143. We have an activity, and this is again, I'm missing this a lot because when I do this in the class, my children are very happy. But right now, also, I'll make my children happy. How? Because I will tell you to do it, and when you'll do it, or such में ऐसा होगा, you will be happy. Now, just see. You just simple. It's a simple activity. बस हाँ ये है थोड़ा carefully करेंगे so that you do not get wet. See. What you will do, you will take a tumbler. Tumbler मतलब एक glass लेंगे, ठीक है? You will take a glass, and what you will do, you will fill it with water. You will fill it with water. You will take a glass and you'll fill it with water. Then you will take a square piece of cardboard. It can be any cardboard. You do not need to go to the market to buy that the whole bundle. No. Simply, you can even take the hard covering of any of your old copy. जो ऊपर का होता है ना paper, the cover page. If it is hard, many of the time it is very hard. Yes, so that you can take. Or last page, cover page or last page you can take, or any other cardboard piece which you have. You don't have to do anything with the color and the color and the quality of the hardboard. It's just like you need it for the experiment. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so what you will do, you will take it and you will put that square piece of this thing cardboard on the glass. Now make sure that your glass is filled properly. उसको वो खाली नहीं छोड़ना है उसको. वो just make sure that it is properly filled. Now you will keep it on the glass, and along with your hand properly touching your glass, now you will try to invert it. आपको पूरी चीज को क्या करना है? उल्टा करना है. ग्लास को उल्टा करना है. और उल्टा करने के बाद अब कार्डबोर्ड वाला सेक्शन ऊपर रहा कि नीचे आ गया जब उल्टा कर दिया?
मैम नीचे.
नीचे. हाँ, बाकी लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है क्या? कहाँ आ गया वो पोर्शन जो कार्डबोर्ड
मैम नीचे.
नीचे आ गया. It's clear to all. Now, very slowly, you will not do it all of a sudden. Very slowly, gently, what you will do, जो हाथ आपने कार्डबोर्ड के नीचे लगा रखा था, जिसकी वजह से आपकी कार्डबोर्ड टिकी हुई थी, पानी नीचे नहीं आ रहा था, what you will do now when you'll invert it very slowly, gently, smoothly, you will remove your hand from the कार्डबोर्ड. कार्डबोर्ड के नीचे से धीरे से हाथ अपना हटाएंगे and you will see surprisingly that water is not going to fall from the glass. Is it good to see or not?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
actually
ma'am.
it is not going to fall. Why, beta? All of you understand the logic behind it. It's not just बस कर लेना है activity. Why it doesn't happen? Now see, जो अभी हमने पढ़ा वही हम इसको अब देखने जा रहे हैं. Because inside the glass, what is present?
Ma'am,
Water.
Hmm?
Ma'am, water. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, water.
water.
Yes. Now, so water is creating pressure. Water है तो water pressure create करेगा जिसकी वजह से
Yes, ma'am.
कार्डबोर्ड गिर जाएगी. But because the water inside the glass is less and the pressure of the air, जो air pressure लगा रही है कार्डबोर्ड के ऊपर, that is more in comparison to the pressure that is exerted by water. Yes, so liquid pressure is less and atmospheric pressure is more. And because atmospheric pressure is more, what is happening? Atmospheric pressure किधर की तरफ लगा रही है? कार्डबोर्ड को ऊपर रखने में. And the cardboard does not fall. अगर आप हल्का सा भी कार्डबोर्ड को टच कर देते हैं और थोड़ी सी भी एयर अंदर चली जाती है, yes, then that air is also going to apply the pressure, and in that case the cardboard can fall. So everybody is going to try today this at home, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And nobody is going to break the glass. If you are in a habit of doing that, please do not take the glass tumbler. Take a steel one then. Okay, but do not break it. Otherwise, your mama is going to give you a good time then. Fine. Now, next is about next is about the variation of atmospheric pressure with the height. Now, अभी हम लोगों ने liquid pressure को पढ़ा, that along with height, how does it vary? The same way, we are going to study about the variation of the atmospheric pressure. As I just said, when Iram asked, I told the same way. Now, I'm reading it out for you so that you are able to relate it. Please understand. Page number 143 under the heading Variation of Atmospheric Pressure with Height. The thickness of air is not the same at all levels. As we go up, that is, as the altitude increases, that is, as the height increases, that means basically when we are moving towards the mountains, the thickness of air decreases. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
This leads to decrease
Yes,
in
ma'am.
atmospheric pressure. So atmospheric pressure high होगा या कम होगा at the height?
Ma'am, low.
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 Hence, the atmospheric pressure is maximum at the ground. It's at the ground it is maximum and minimum at the high altitudes. The decrease in atmospheric pressure at high altitude has many impact on our life as discussed below. So now we see the examples related to this. The first one is mountaineers and people living at very high altitude suffer from nose bleeding. कोई बता सकता है अब? कोई अगर लॉजिक लगा के बता सके कि why nose bleeding occurs?
Ma'am, because the blood does not remains inside a nose.
नहीं ये नहीं बताना है. Iram, we are studying physics. अभी हमको इसके लॉजिक से बताना है. Yes. Okay, wait, Prakhar. Yes, Prakhar.
Atmospheric pressure is maximum at the upper level, high altitude.
Higher level पे atmospheric pressure ज़्यादा है, Myra.
No, ma'am, low.
फिर
Ma'am, because the air pressure, ma'am, because the body.
भाई air pressure कम है.
Ma'am, may I tell?
तो जब air pressure कम है तो
Ma'am.
कौन सा pressure इसके साथ और की बात कर रहे हैं?
Ma'am, the pressure of blood and the pressure of air will not be able to cancel each other and they will not be balanced. So
Yeah,
the
because the yes,
blood
of course.
will ooze out.
Yes. But now, yes, the balancing does not occur, and that is why it start bleeding. So generally, when we reach the higher altitude, there is a nose bleeding that can be seen in some cases. Yes, because the air pressure is not cancelled by the liquid pressure inside the body, and this is why this happens. So nose bleeding can be observed. Fine. Then, what about the astronauts that wear special flight suit? Why? Astronauts, what do they do? They have to go to the space. Yes. So there, what about the air pressure? Will be high or low in the space?
Ma'am, low.
Ma'am,
Low.
low. Ma'am,
Very, very low.
Ma'am, low. Ma'am, low.
Yes. And in comparison to it, your body blood pressure or liquid pressure will be
Ma'am, high.
Ma'am, high.
it will be high.
High.
Yes. So even now here, not except bleeding, but what else can happen? Along with bleeding, what else can happen?
Ma'am, we will be apart. Ma'am, our body.
Blood vessels can burst.
Ma'am, we will be floating.
Yes. What else can happen? The blood vessels, yes, the blood vessels can even rupture. Rupture means वो भी फट सकती हैं. So this is why what happens that we see that when we go to the high altitude or when we are talking about the space especially, there we see that the bleeding can take place. The blood vessels, that means arteries and veins, which we have talked about. Yes, in class 7, they are going to burst and a lot of blood can come out. It can ooze out. So that is why they have to wear special suit. Then The next one is the third example. The people are not allowed to take the fountain pens or spray bottles when they are in the flight. Why? Again, the same thing.
Ma'am, what is the question?
The question is fountain pen होता है ना, fountain pen जिसमें हम ink भरते हैं, वो है, या फिर spray bottles हैं, ये सब हमको नहीं ले जाना allowed होता है in the flight. Why? It is because when the pressure of the air is too low, the liquid pressure will become higher. And what will happen?
Ma'am, it will spread in the
Ma'am,
flight.
the plane will.
It will burst.
No,
Ma'am,
it's
it
not
will
going to
burst.
burst, beta. It is going to come out.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The ink of the fountain pen will come out. Yes. And the same way, the liquid which is present in the spray bottle, that can also come out. So it can make the plane and your surrounding nasty. So that is why you are advised not to carry it. Fine. So these are some of the examples which suggest that yes, the pressure in the air as we go high, it decreases. And the same way, when we go deep inside the water, the pressure
Ma'am, increases.
increases. Okay.
ma'am, increases.
Fine. So this is how we, okay. Now this is how we have come to the end of the explanation part of this chapter. Now, today I'll be giving you some work. See, first you will be observing the numericals which are given on page number 142. Here I'll be giving you direct based numericals where you don't have to apply much logic. So you'll be solving them. Fine. They all are based on the simple formula. Pressure is equals to force upon area. So I'll be giving you some work. You are only going to do it in your rough copies, not in your fair copy. That is your homework for today. Keep revising all the topics well so that you do not skip anything. Still, I say, if you have any problem anywhere in the chapter, just go through it. If you find any problem, please inform me. Fine, children, do not sit like that. That is very, very important for you to know. That is why I've explained each and every topic in such a detail so that you do not forget anything. But that will be only possible when you revise it. So do it, and whatever homework will be given, do it in your rough copies. Okay, children? And next time you'll be sitting with your rough copy so that you're able to answer. So till we meet again, take care of yourselves, children. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye,
you,
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.